I gotta organize some stuff real quick.
Wander.
Well, I just need to organize some.
Wander.
You mind if I organize some stuff?
Should we fold our laundry real quick?
Yeah, let's fold our laundry. Here's some laundry we can fold.
Make sure and turn all the lights on.
You guys are so fake. Just doing it for the video. Oh my gosh.
What's been the favorite part about this trip?
Renting bikes in Grindelwald.
Things that you learned about Nehemiah. I was hoping you would ask this question. I've learned that Nehemiah is as annoying as I thought he was. What's one thing you learned about Deborah?
She really appreciates how well I can shake. Quick, check out the waterfall.
Oh.
Well, I'm a real hit with the locals here. They named a pizza after me, and it's called the Pizza Calabrese. Nehemiah, you're gonna have so much video to sort through.
And a visor.
Living in the borderland, I don't feel like a boy, I don't feel like a man. And the things I don't understand, things like love, like the law of the jungle. Are we all sharpening our teeth and claws, stocking up on cannonballs. Living like nobody knows, they can't hold on to love and live by the law of the jungle. Help me, holy Jesus, won't you show me how to live? I got monsters at my table, I got Bibles bent like shields. Help me, holy Lord, I see the light of heaven's porch, but so many of us are born here outside your chain link fence. Yeah, living in the borderland. You gotta fend for yourself, let the dogs eat the other man. Living in the borderland. You gotta take what you give, gotta get what you can. Are we all dangerous?
I wouldn't do it. It's really hard to swim at all.
Woo! Well, we successfully did not jump off the big cliff, but Nehemiah jumped off a smaller cliff, so props to him.
Without love, by the law.
Are they literally
She
gonna...
just hit another car.
Oh my god. She hit 3 cars.
Okay, that person is not getting out, no matter what.
Oh my god.
So I'm going to wash my hair and then put this in it.
2 weeks is a very long time for a vacation. Maybe we don't do this again, you never know.
Maybe a little bit longer, maybe like 3 months instead.
Maybe indefinitely.
We've been watching a lot of Sierra's Instagram stories. Now we know how she makes her coffee.
2 weeks is a really long time. I miss my plants and also my cat and also tiny house and also having a normal schedule every day and somewhere to shower every day and toilet paper every day. I haven't had toilet paper a lot this trip. I had toilet paper every day. Brenna just couldn't find it. Sorry, that's hiding the toilet paper from me.
Gotta take what you get, gotta get what you can.
We're back in Texas, picking up our bags. 18 hours of travel a day. My hair still looks great. Suave for men. We had to check our bags at our very last airline, and that's what we're waiting for now.
To love, you can't hold on. You can't hold